We had a dream to travel and see the world as locals and not as tourists. After a lot of hard work, we decided in 2021 to downsize and sell almost everything we owned. We then put our house on the market. We bought a fifth wheel, which we named Serenity, and then we hit the road to see the US. We are working to build the Bald Traveler into a travel resource for geeks and nerds who want to travel and see where their fandoms are based. We encourage you to subscribe and comment to follow along on our journey. Let's get ready to travel baldly together. Today the Bald Traveler is at Country View Market in Charlotte, Tennessee. A little bit of a different thing. We're going shopping. Let's see what they got. Walk in. First thing they have is candy. See what we have here. Candy blocks. Haven't had those in a while. What else do we got here? Cinnamon bears. Yummy. Have to get some of those. Over here, looks like they got utensils and stuff. Spices, mixes. Very nice. Ooh, homemade jams and marmalades. May have to pick up some of those. Ooh, black bear jam. Sounds good. Some more pastas, it looks like. Here are snacks. What do I got here? Oh, we got chicken flavored crackers. Have to get some of those for soup. Ooh, beef sticks. Ooh, honey beef sticks. Have to pick some of those up. Cheese curls, cheese balls. What do we have here? Oh, bread. Yum. So this is a nice little country store. Oh, looks like they make sandwiches over there. Fresh eggs, fresh milk. And here's what we came for. Cheese. So we've got chocolate chip up here. We'll get some of that. We'll probably get some maple pecan. Ooh, bacon horseradish cheese ball. That'll be good too. So this is the country store in Charlotte, Tennessee. Looks like it's going to be a very good store. This is the Bald Traveler signing off. Remember, travel baldly.